Did you know that there's a special kind of U.S. visa just for religious workers? My name is Simon Craven. I'm the managing attorney for immigration here at Manifest Law, and I'm going to talk to you today about the R1 visa for religious workers in the United States. The R1 visa is meant for people who are members of a religious organization abroad that is affiliated or connected to a U.S. organization. The U.S. religious organization needs to be a nonprofit and of the same denomination or big religious group as the church where you're working abroad. If you have at least 2 years of membership in that group, you could be eligible to transfer to the US to work in a religious job here. Now, what is a religious job? This is typically something like a pastor or a minister, somebody whose job duties are primarily about sharing their religion with others. It does not count for administrative jobs or other non-religious occupations. The R1 visa is only for religious occupations. It can't be used for other jobs like administrative work at the church. Once you get an R1 visa, you can stay in the US for up to 30 months, and you can even renew it for another 30-month period for a total of 5 years in the US. The R1 visa might even put you on track toward a green card. There's a special green card for religious workers in the US under the 4th Preference Employment-Based Classification, where if you qualify, you could get a green card to stay and work in the US permanently as a religious worker. The R1 visa is also relatively fast to get. It's eligible for premium processing, so you could get a decision on your case within just a few weeks. The process for applying for an R1 visa involves filing a form with all of the information and supporting documentation about your case, such as confirmation of your ordination as a minister, or information about the churches that are involved in the filing. Qualifying for the R1 visa is relatively straightforward if you have the right amount of membership. However, the process and forms can be very complex. It's important to have a good immigration lawyer to help you along every step of the way. Here at Manifest Law, we'll help you handle every step of the process to get your R1 visa, from collecting the initial information to taking any follow-up action needed for your case. Reach out to Manifest Law and schedule your free immigration consultation today, and we'll help you find out if the R1 visa is the right choice for you. Manifest lawyers have lots of experience with R1 visa cases, and we can help you along every step of the way. Reach out to Manifest Law and schedule your free immigration consultation today.